An officer of the Nigerian Police Force, Inspector Stephen Enang, tragically died on Tuesday night while watching the UEFA Champions League match between Arsenal and Real Madrid at a football viewing center in Calabar. Enang, a devoted Arsenal supporter, was attached to Akin Police Division along IBB Way in Calabar until his passing. He was said to be a regular caller at the football viewing center located at Abang Asang Street, Calabar Municipality Local Government Area of Cross River, where the tragedy struck. He was also said not to have displayed any sign of illness before the game, and even joined in the excitement when the first, second and third goals of Arsenal were scored. According to his friend, who pleaded anonymity, the late inspector was discovered unconscious after the final whistle. However, reports reveals that efforts to get the reaction of the State Police Command were not successful, as the spokesperson, Iren Ugo, did not pick calls put through to her phone number. She also failed to reply messages sent to her about the incident. While the story has generated mixed reactions online, we'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to Naija News TV.